There is so many small creators out there, hoping, wondering for a big dream. If they could just have 5 subscribers, one will just make their day a lot better. Like, or subscribe, or comment, share, just make their day better. It's just what they've been wanting. So make it good, make it right, to make them have a big day. Have a great dream, have a great day. Just feel like that they're good. And some creators just feel like that they're not good enough because they don't get one singular like. They just don't like it. Some creators just want to quit. So just like or subscribe or share, comment, just to get a little child, a little adult to their dream.